Alright you guys, I am finally in the car with Sabrina.
Right when I'm yawning.
She got me some coffee. I'm so excited. We stopped to get some diesel. I'm shy.
You're so stupid.
Every time we walk by someone, I stop recording.
We're just walking. You're not even looking for what you need.
I'm glancing. I'm sorry guys, I'm still getting the hang of vlogging in public. As soon as I go outside, I get nervous. I went inside to find flip-flops. Is the only thing I'm missing that I didn't pack. So hopefully I can find some before we get on the boat. I have a feeling they're gonna overcharge for everything on the boat. So yeah, and I haven't even explained what we're doing yet, but I will. We decided to stop at Family Dollar. Are we Family Dollar or Dollar General? Family Dollar. After a 3-hour drive, we're finally here, but I forgot my flip-flops, and you can't go on a boat without flip-flops, right? So hopefully I find some. The thing I lose the most are my flip-flops. I lose them so often, it's ridiculous. Hold on, I think they're over here. All right, we are back in the car, and I got these. They were like 50 cents, so I'm good. Sabrina keeps saying that they're gonna break, like before I get a chance to wear them.
Now you're jinxed.
All right, we just did this booth thing where you go to each booth and you pick your like package, what you want to eat, what you want to drink. And this is my first time on a cruise, so I didn't know you had to do all this stuff. Sabrina's checking out the spa. I thought you just like got on the boat and then picked, but I guess you do it before. I haven't even mentioned at all what we're doing. You know, I just started vlogging in the morning. I didn't even say what we're doing, where we're going, or what. But Sabrina actually invited me on a cruise last minute. This is my first time on a cruise. We're going to the Bahamas. We're on, what is this? This is the West Palm Beach port, right? I mean, I've been on a cruise before, but it was like a one-day thing where you go and come back the same day. I'm sleeping on a boat. Hopefully I don't get like seasick and puke everywhere, but yeah, I'm excited.
Hey, you guys remember which way you're going? It'll be the Titanic.
Memorize the exits.
That's exactly what we're doing.
Actually, rather not think about the Titanic right now, especially with Hurricane Florence that just passed. I think it just passed, right? Hopefully it's not still active because I don't want to be on a boat in the middle of the ocean during a hurricane. It's this way. Oh.
Green sticker up.
Oh, can't fit through the door. Sabrina, I need you to help me. Sabrina? Sabrina, I'm stuck in the doorway. Can you turn my bag? Okay, we're finally in the room. My shoulder is killing me. How cute is this? Oh my god, I have never slept on a boat ever. I don't even know what boat hotel rooms look like. So this is actually really cute. Oh my gosh. I'll definitely give you guys a tour in a little bit. Let me just help everybody settle in. Okay, so we just switched rooms because this room has a bunk bed. That is so cool. Let's pull it down. Ooh. Oh, something moved. It's coming. God. Is it heavy? It looks heavy. Ooh.
I'm not sleeping up there.
You want me to sleep in here? You sleep with your mama?
You will find today's program.
This.
Itineraries.
Itineraries.
Locations can be found in your program.
Okay, I'm gonna listen to this.
Also,
Alright you guys, I am back in the room and I thought I would give you a little tour. I just had some lunch. I'm honestly so exhausted. I went to sleep at like 3 in the morning. I woke up at 6. I'm really sleepy. I decided to just come to the room by myself really quick and do a little tour and hopefully take a nap. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna start from where we enter. Okay, so this is the door. You walk in and this is what the room looks like. On the left, there's some closet space. Over here, a little safe. On this side, just more closet space. Ooh, life jackets. Hopefully we don't need those. On this right side, there's this little ladder which is used to get up on the bunk bed. I haven't even looked inside here, but I think this is the bathroom. Oh wow, this is really nice. I hadn't even looked inside. How pretty. This is what it looks like. Here's the shower. Complimentary shampoo and conditioner, I'm guessing. The sink. Me. What's up? And yeah, okay, so this is the bathroom. And then you keep walking, and on the left side there's this huge mirror with me again, and a desk, a little nightstand, the phone, and then over here's the bed, and then on the right is the bunk bed. I think that's where I'm gonna sleep. And then over here is just another little shelf, a TV. I guess you pull that out and it's a chair, a nightstand, and the window. We're still docked. We haven't left. I think the boat leaves at 5. Set this right here really quick. My arm hurts. Okay, I think this is the best lighting I've ever had. The cruise is going to the Bahamas. We're gonna arrive there tomorrow morning, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and take a nap. And if it's still daylight when I wake up, I might change into my bathing suit and go in the pool or something. But for now, I can't keep my eyes open. So I'll see you guys later. Look guys, I put the ladder on here. Sabrina just walked into the bathroom. But yeah, I laid here for like 2 seconds and then Sabrina came in, but I'm gonna try and take a nap again. No, I can't. Oh, but it's gonna be a workout jumping up here every night. I know there's exciting things going on outside, so that's not letting me sleep. It's only like 3, right? I think. Sabrina, what time is it? It's only 3:10. You guys. I'm crying right now. I just woke up from my nap. Sabrina actually woke me up. Was that a prank? Like, how do I describe what just happened? I'm in a deep sleep and this girl freaking screams. It's hilarious. I need to show you. Give me your phone. You guys need to see, like, it's so embarrassing.
It's on over your head with the reflective strips spacing outwards so that it emergency attention.
God. It was hilarious seeing my delayed scream. Anyway, I'm awake now. What are we doing now? She just changed into something super cute.
I feel like it makes me look pregnant.
Those shirts make everyone pregnant. The shirt makes everyone pregnant. I meant it makes everyone look pregnant. So there was a mandatory meeting and I was asleep. I think he just said that they're gonna do a roll call, right? I think we better go. Alright you guys, I changed. The boat is officially moving. I don't know if you can tell. We're moving! That little power nap was super helpful. I feel energized now, especially with that little laugh attack we had, that laugh session. Dude, that was the funniest thing, and I feel like I didn't capture it on camera how funny that stupid video was that Sabrina took of me waking up and screaming. Okay, let's go. Alright you guys, the party has officially started. They're like blasting music, everybody's out by the pool. I think we're gonna go grab some food pretty soon.
Oh, I got a wedgie.
I'm gonna keep that in, so you know. I'm not gonna edit it out.
Everybody gets wedgies. I could be a bartender. Not really, I still gotta love my food.
The guy was like gonna walk in here. I think he was gonna ask for something or something. He sees the camera, he goes, oh. Oh, the employee. You didn't hear him? This salad is good. They have ratatouille and I've never tried it, and I've been trying to try it so much. Wait, trying to try it so much that doesn't even make sense.
What did I tell you about trying?
I've always wanted to try it ever since that ratatouille movie. I love that movie, it's so good.
I always wanted to taste it.
Oh, okay, I always wanted to taste it.
No, I'm saying because
I know that conversation, but they have it here. I don't even know what ratatouille is. Is that like some kind of pasta?
I don't even know either.
Okay, I'm gonna try it, let's see. So this is it right here. That's ratatouille. Let's see how this goes.
May I have your attention please? Your attention please. This announcement is for two excursions for tomorrow in the Bahamas.
am I going to go by myself?
Because you're a rock star. Cindy, if you sit down.
Alright you guys, we are almost done with our first day on the boat. What do you guys think so far? I actually like it. They have a lot of cool stuff to do here, right? Okay, that's our little check-in.
It's a lot to do here though.
You can't curse on my channel, Home Skillet.
My fault. It's a lot of stuff to do here. You can cut that out.
This is DeAndre.
Hello my people.
And this is Sabrina. You guys know who she is. I think you've seen her before. Okay, see you guys later.